Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Tutor once again. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do keyword research with Google Keyword Planner. This method I want to show you today is totally free. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay for any tool. All you need to do is to possess a working Gmail address. That is all you need to get your keyword campaign started. All right guys, I'm going to walk you guys to my computer screen. As you can see now, I'm actually on Google Keyword Planner 2, but I'm going to show you how you can navigate to Google Planner 2 without wasting much of your time. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All I do in this channel is to teach people how to do SEO, how to do backlinking, product review, affiliate marketing, how to, and so many more. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to walk to this computer screen. As you can see here, I have Google as Keyword Planner. Now, like I said earlier in this video, what you need to get started in this keyword campaign or keyword research campaign is to possess a working email address. As you can see, this is my email address. Now, how do you get to this point here? Now, you can go to your Google search box and search for the word keyword planner or Google Keyword Planner, keyword planner, and hit the enter button. From here, this is it over here, or this, you can click any of this here, then sign up with them and navigate your way to Keyword Planner. When you come to Keyword Planner, this is how it's going to look like. You have these two boxes here. One says discover new keywords, and number 2 says get search volume and forecast. Now, to get an in-depth keyword research, a keyword with low difficulty and high search volume, the box you need to select here is the first one that says discover new. Remember what we are doing here? We want to get a new keyword metric. We want to get a new keyword ideas to write on our blog or on our website. Now we're going to use this first option here that says discover new keyword. I'm going to click over it. When you click to it, you have this option here that says it's enter products or services closely related to your business. Now, if my niche has to do with business or my niche is how to, I'm going to make use of this search box here. If you own a blog that talks about business idea, don't go here and type how to. You should use the ideas of your blog. You should use the niche of your blog, which is business idea, by going to type business ideas or whatever you want to do that has to do with your niche. So you should type it here. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a generic niche, which is how to. I want to use the how to. I run a blog that talks about how to, and I want to get a detailed keyword research. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to type a small word of my niche. As you see, my niche is how to, so I'm going to type the word how to get an in-depth keyword research. You can actually type more than 2 words, 3 to any amount you want. So now I'm going to type how to. If I want to type more, like how to make your hair, how to get stuff done, I'm going to type them here. But I'm okay with this. Like now, I'm going for a new keyword research to add to my blog. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to and get results. You can actually skip the domain option and get results. Now, what you see here is a keyword displayed with different competition, monthly search volume, top page bid, and so on. All right, so now this tool actually allows you to run a successful campaign. If you are someone that runs Google AdWords, you can actually use this tool to get more insight, but I'm not going to talk about that here. I'm not going to talk about that in this video, which our aim is to get keyword research alone. So now, what you are going to consider or point to consider before doing keyword research with Google Planner, there are different things you need to consider. Number 1 point to consider is the average monthly search volume, and number 2 is the competition. This is the 2 things to consider before doing keyword research with Google Keyword Planner. Like I told you earlier, monthly search volume and competition is what we're going to use in this video. All this here is not really necessary. This is actually for someone running campaign. You want to get the CPC bid, you can actually use this here, but I'm not going to talk about this too. So what I'm going to focus here is this two here, which is how to get keyword research using Google Keyword Planner. All right, like I told you earlier, I'm looking for the word how to. I own a blog that talks about how to, and I want to get a keyword that suits my blog. These are a list of top searches according to Google, what users are actually searching for. Now, as you go down, you keep checking. These are what people are searching for. When you go down, you can actually navigate. This is 1 out of thousands or searches or thousands results. You can actually go to go to next page by skipping different row. So now I want to get my keyword research done. I'm going to check this here. Monthly search volume is 100,000 to 1 million monthly search volume. Competition is very low. Number two, this is 10k to 100k. Competition is medium. This is 10k to 100k. Competition is low. Now, what you're going to hear, sometimes you see something like high here. So let me go down to see a keyword that has a, this is it here. This keyword has a high search volume. Don't ever you go for keyword with high search volume unless your blog is very authoritative. Do not go for a high keyword. Now, what you're going to utilize is the low keyword. Now, we have this keyword here, a low search volume. We're going to highlight it. We have another keyword. We have how to 10,000 to 100,000 search volume and is low. I'm going to highlight this. As you can see, these two here is medium. I wouldn't want you guys to go for the medium keyword research. The competition is actually going to be high. All right, so don't go for this if your blog is new. But if you have a new blog or you want to get the best keyword research, always go for keyword with low competition. All right, so I'm going to highlight this here, and I'm going to highlight what again? I'm going to highlight this is actually okay, 1k to 10,000 per month. I'm going to highlight this, and I have this. I'm going to highlight this. Once you are done highlighting the ones you want, you're going to click copy and go to your sticky note or whatever you are using. So I'm going to get to this and get a new sticky note. All right, this is it here. Oh, sorry for the delay. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Now, number one keyword research here that I got says how to get rid of tie, and number two, how to do. So I'm taking this off. Number three keyword says how much water to drink a day, how much water to drink per day, how to get sick. Wow. So I'm going to check this out, how to get rid of tie. I'm going to check this out. So I'm going to head over to the new Google search and type this keyword to see site ranking on this keyword. Now, this is actually a health niche. Healthline is ranking number one, how to get rid of tie, and how to get rid of tie. Number two, webmd.com. This is the keyword we got. So I think I'm not okay with this keyword. I'm going to go over and start for another keyword. Let me go down, take this off and go back. Let's search for how to make money online. How to make money online. So done, click get results. Don't bother about the domain name. Now, how to make money online, this keyword is very high in competition. So let's keep going down to get something very low. This competition is medium. I don't want medium, I need something low. I'm going to go down, skip. All right, as you can see here, this one says how to make money, 100 to 1k search volume, and the competition is low. I'm going to highlight it. Let's go down again. This is actually high, medium. I don't want medium, I want something low. And I have another one here which is low in competition. I have this two is not okay by me, so I'm going to get to 1k where is enough. This two is medium. If your site is authoritative enough, you can actually go for the medium keyword, but mine is not authoritative, so I'm not going to head over to this. It's just a new blog, so I'm going to go over to this low competition. Let me check this out. Oh, sorry, I've not. All right, copy. All right, number one says how to make money online. Reddit, how to make money online. How to make money online 219. So let's check this out. How to make money online. Reddit. I think this is actually how to make money using Reddit. Realistic ways to make money. How to make money online in Reddit. So this is how to make money online Reddit. 9 legit ways to make money on Reddit. So guys, this is how you can get your keyword research done. Now I've gotten multiple keyword research. I got about 3 keyword research. These two, I'm not okay with these two, and I'm not okay with this. So I actually said how to do websites, how do websites make money. So I'm not okay with these two keyword here. So I'm gonna go with this, how to make money Reddit. So guys, this is how I got a very high search volume of 1000 words with low competition, and this is how I got it using keyword planner. So guys, this is how you can actually get low competition keyword and rank them on the blog. So this is how to get it depending on your niche. Follow this guide I just showed you now, you're gonna get your website rank in no time. So guys, let me recap back again. Point to consider before choosing any keyword: you're going to consider the monthly search volume. At least average of 1000 above is enough. Competition rate, you're going to check for medium or low search volume. If your website is authoritative enough, you can go for medium search, medium competition, you can go for high. But if your website, or you're just starting out, your website is new, you can go for the low competition. So these ones here is not really necessary. These are for people running AdWords, so it's not really necessary for you. So this is a thing you need to consider. This two here. When you get your keyword, go to Google. You can use Google here. You can download this tool called Moz extension. You can use more extension to get more insight of these keywords here. So let me quickly run up this here. Let me get this open. All right, so as you can see here, realistic ways to make money online on Reddit. This website ranking here has 91 DA, this one has 36 DA, this one has this medium 95 DA, and this is 1 DA. Wow, this is to say that this keyword is very, very low in competition. These are low search, these are low authoritative website ranking on this keyword. Ways to make money on Reddit: this person got 6 DA, this person got 11 DA, this person got 15 DA, this person got, this is actually a very high authoritative website, Quora, and we have this person here 1 DA. This is very, very good. All right, so this keyword is very easy to rank on